Do you get me? So now let's try and delete something here. Take a look at it. We've deleted it, but then it was supposed to redirect us to Friday, but now it redirects us to today, which is our main route. So let's go and do some changes in our delete and then add route, so which is the post route. So first of all, let's go to our post route and do some changes here. So here, after we've saved it, right, I want us to first, let's comment this out, and down below let's type item.save, right? And after we've saved it, but then before we save it, you have to do something here. You have to check if the list name, which is this one, we are now coming to make use of it, right, is equal to today. If it's equal to today, then we should just save it and then redirect us to. So let's copy the one we've commented. Let's cut it, sorry. Let's paste it here and uncomment it, right? So if you want to comment or uncomment, it's Ctrl+//. And once you are done saving, it should redirect us to the root, right? But then if it's not, if it's not equal to today, then we want it to redirect us to the custom name we used, right? So which is the list name, right? So we are going to go to our model.find. So we're going to find one, which is going to be the name. The name is list name, which is this one, right? And we call it error and then found, which is the callback, right? So if found, then we want to do something, but then let's first check whether, let's make sure there is no error. So if there is no error, then let's check if found. So if found, then we now want to push whatever we are trying to add to the found one. So the found one is an array. Do you get me? Don't forget at the beginning we placed it into an array, so we can now push items onto that array. So found, sorry, it's supposed to be found, not found item, because we use found here. So found, or better still, we can do it found list, just to, so found list. So if you had some found list, so found list dot items in it, then we should push the items dot push. We are going to push this item onto it, right? So push item, right? And once you are done, you will now type in found list dot save. Now once you are done, we show the redirected, so rest dot redirect should be redirect to our custom list name, right? So what we've done so far here is, you see, first when we're done creating our new item, you will just save it, right? But then now we are checking if the list name is equal to today. If it's equal to today, then we should just save it. But then if it's not equal to today, whatever the name is, we should go into our model list and find the name that corresponds to the list name. And if we find it, we should push the new item we've created onto the items, because the items is an array we've created, right? So we can push this item onto it and now save it. And once we are done saving it, it should redirect us to the custom list name. It shouldn't redirect us to the root route, right? Which is the /. So now let's save it and cross our fingers on it. So let's refresh, and then let's add in buy items, buy items. Oh, skipping too long. Let's check something is happening. Alright, so we are now making use of this list name. Okay, we have to make some changes here. So inside our list name, let's add a value. The value will be the list title. So this is the delete section, okay. Then inside our push section too, yeah, this one too is supposed to have copy a value here. Let's paste it here. So save it. Probably this should work. And then let's go through. So take a name here. Alright, so let's delete this one. Delete. Let's save it. So let's go and try it again. Okay, buy items came. So let's see. So cars. Alright, so it's working now. Sure, it's working. So let's try on some delete. So it's deleting. It's also deleting. Let's go to Friday. Oops. Friday. Let's see. Thank God it's Friday. Okay, let's add and see what happens. Alright, so it's just adding it to, so now we are not redirected to our today list, right? We are redirected to Friday list. So that's it. Let's try and delete two and see. Okay, wow, so delete is now redirecting us to our root route. So let's go and check what's happening at the delete session.